Hi friends, I am going to share my special recipe of Degi Pulao Biryani today. Cup cooking oil to medium onions, thinly sliced. In a stock pot add clean chicken. Whole spices 3 cinnamon sticks, 3 green cardamom, fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, whole black pepper 1/2 teaspoon, star anise 1, coriander seeds, salt 1 teaspoon. Water enough to cover the meat. 1 onions cut into halves, 1 garlic unpeeled whole bulb, a piece of ginger, 1 large green chili. Mix and boil until chicken is 80% cooked. Ingredients: you will need 1 chicken 16 pieces, it will serve about 4 to 6 people. Fry the onions on low heat until they're nice and golden. Take out half of onions and set aside. Add spices like cloves, green cardamom, black cardamom, cumin seeds, curry leaves. Sauté the spices. Add chicken only at this time and stir-fry. Drop some tomato and green chilies. Add to the pot and saute. Add 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Cook on medium flame, add yogurt about 1/2 cup. I use homemade biryani masala 1 tablespoon. Any store-bought one will do the job. Cook for 2 minutes. Drain the chicken soup and discard all the whole spices and if any bones. Check the salt at this point. I added about 1 tablespoon for 4 cups of rice. Fix 1/4 orange food to table of cura water. Add soaked basmati rice. Cover and cook until water dries up. Where the water has almost dried up, add fried onions. Cura water mixed with food color. Cover and cook on lowest flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Pulao biryani is ready. The aroma. It's delicious and easy to make, and tastes like the one served on weddings. Thanks so much for watching. Come back for more easy and delicious recipes.